you watch our website, you know that from time to time we'll get in some awful low mile, very nice later model sports cars in it. Here's a great example of that. 2000 Chevrolet Corvette with less than 2,000 miles on it. Black on black, polished aluminum wheels, heads-up display, all kinds of goodies in this car. Power seats both sides, power windows, memory seats, climate control, you name it. Bose system. Very, very nicely equipped car, but best of all, it's a one owner. It is a very, very clean, less than 2,000 miles. So if you're looking for practically a brand new 2000 Corvette, here you go. You can see the paint has a beautiful luster to it, and it's the ceiling and the lights, and every which way I move you'll get reflection off that nice black paint. Granted, this car is just about 20 years old and it's black, so you may be able to find a few very, very small imperfections in the paint, but overall this car is absolutely stunning. When I get around to the back, I'll show you the wheels too. You can see in the rear ones a little bit better. Wheels are like just brand new on this. It is the original rubber on the car. Just so you know, this car has been well maintained and driven by an adult. The rear tires haven't been burnt off. Any sort of aggressive driving. Just a well taken care of car right here. I talk about those rear wheels. Look at how clean these are. There isn't, if you can see that reflection, look at that. Top to bottom, this thing's beautiful. Look at the underside pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at the catalytic converters. The stickers aren't even 100% burnt off the catalytic converters yet. Feel free to give us a call too. 507-386-1726. Wouldn't expect this car to last too long. Seats show minimal wear. Take a look at this. You know where the bolsters and the seats start to wear after time, just because it's a soft leather. Nope, not on this one yet. Still like brand new. This does have the removable transparent roof. I have that stashed in the back. Took some pictures without it in. Again, check out those still pictures. You'll see the pictures with it in, with it out. Trunk, engine bay, undersides. uniqueclassiccars.com. Hasn't been any paint work on this car. Like I said, it is a one owner. It's accident free, clean Carfax, all that good stuff. No check engine lights on, no warning lights on. Take a look at the driver's seat. It's unbelievable. You're looking for a clean vet, here you go. Bose speakers down the side, like I said, memory seating, power mirrors, power locks, heads-up display, climate control, and actually dual climate control at that. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I'll pop the hood so you can see the engine bay too. Check those exact miles. Alright, just a seatbelt light on there. There you go, 1,933 miles. That's a seatbelt warning light. I'm not going to slip my seatbelt on just for the video. Dual climate control, Bose CD player. Just like new inside here too. Alright, pop this hood. And as you can see, pretty much like brand new. Underneath here also, 5.7 liter V8, that bulletproof GM engine. This car will get great economy going down the highway too, so it's unbelievable about these. We do consider trades. Maybe you got a little older one you want to trade in this. We consider trades. Financing is available. We also can assist with transportation where you're located at if you need the car shipped. Just tell you what, give us a call, 507-386-1726. And one more time, that website, check out all the still pictures or any of our other vehicles. uniqueclassiccars.com. 2000 Chevrolet Corvette. removable transparent roof with under 2,000 miles. One owner. Give us a call.